Hello friends, how are you? In this video lecture of chemical kinetics, today we will see what is molecularity and order of reaction. In the previous lecture we have seen what is the rate of reaction and rate law. What is the rate of reaction? Just a revision in short. A reaction A to B, यहाँ पर A reactant और B product है. जब reaction start होती है तो concentration of reactant will be decreased and simultaneously concentration of B will be increased. So what is the rate of reaction? Decrease in concentration of reactant, we can write R and rate of reaction. R is equal to minus D by dt of what? A. A negative sign क्या indicate करता है? Decrease in concentration. जैसे dt यानी time interval per unit time. dA यानी change in concentration. Negative sign decrease in concentration of reactant. Or increase in concentration of reactant per unit time. That is d by dt of B. So A R क्या होता है? Rate of reaction. We know that rate of reaction is also known as the velocity of reaction. Decrease in concentration of reactant per unit time. A per unit time interval important है. अगर हमें rate of reaction find out करना है, निकालना है, तो per unit time in a time interval is important. Or increase in concentration of product per unit time is said to be rate of reaction. A rate law क्या होता है? This is simple equation, that is mathematical equation. R is equal to what? K into concentration of A. इसमें क्या है? So what is the rate law? This is simple equation in which rate of reaction is expressed in terms of concentration of reactant. ये क्या है? What is K? So K is a rate constant. A rate constant. It remains constant. So rate of reaction and a decrease in concentration per unit time, or increase in concentration of increase in concentration of product per unit time, और reactant का concentration decrease होता है, product का concentration increase होता है. So what is the unit of rate of reaction? हमने ये भी देखा है, इसका यूनिट क्या है? Concentration upon time, यानी concentration upon time. Concentration and moles per dm cube. Moles per dm cube, यानी dm to the power minus 3 upon time, यानी time inverse. This is the unit of what? Rate of reaction. Rate law, this is simple mathematical equation in which what? Rate of reaction is expressed in terms of what? Concentration of reacting molecules. लेकिन order of reaction क्या होती है? So what is order of reaction? What is order of reaction? Suppose reaction is like this: XA and YB and use product. X and A, it is the coefficient of reactant A, and Y is the coefficient of reactant B. Suppose it is X moles of A and Y moles of B. So what is the rate law for this? Rate law for this, R is equal to what? K into concentration of A to the power X, concentration of B to the power Y. ये रेट लॉ है. यहाँ पर क्या होता है? A का concentration decrease होता है, B का concentration decrease होता है. Simultaneously, concentration of product will be increased. That is rate of reaction. So what is the order of reaction? इसकी order क्या होगी? So order of reaction is addition of powers of A and B. What is the power of A? It is X. What is the power of B? It is Y. And X plus Y. This is the order of reaction. So definition is very simple. It is clear now. Addition of powers of reacting molecules. यहाँ पर A and B reacting molecules हैं. In addition of power or sum of powers or exponents of reacting molecules whose concentration decides what? Rate of reaction. Whose concentration decides rate of reaction. Addition of powers of reacting molecules. X is the power of A, Y is the power of B. So addition of these powers यानी order of reaction. So addition of powers of reacting molecules whose concentration decides rate of reaction is said to be what? order of reaction. Suppose a reaction is like this, A plus B plus C. यहाँ पर C suppose it is in excess and formation of products. And formation of what? Products. यहाँ पर तीन reactants है A, B और C. लेकिन C excess में. So what is the rate law for this? R is equal to K into concentration of A to the power 1. क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोएफिशिएंट 1 है. Concentration of B to the power 1. और जब भी कोई रिएक्टेंट एक्सेस में होता है, सो रिमेंबर रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन दैट रिएक्टेंट. यहां पर सी एक्सेस है, सो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन डज नॉट डिपेंड्स ऑन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सी, यानी यहां पर सी की पावर क्या होगी? इट इज 0. सो व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन? योर ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इक्वल टू 1 plus 1 plus 0, यानी सेकंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, बिकॉज सी इज इन एक्सेस एंड वी नो दैट rate of reaction does not depends on concentration of that reactant which is in excess. जो excess में होता है वो rate of reaction decide नहीं कर सकता. So what is the order of reaction in 2? लेकिन molecularity concept क्या है? What is the molecularity of this reaction? How many reacting molecules are there? 1, 2, 3. Here molecularity of reaction is 3. Order of reaction is 2. Isn't it? Order of reaction, this is experimental evidence parameter. Molecularity, it is theoretical. Molecularity always in whole numbers. Order of reaction, it could be 0, first order, second order, third order. It could in fraction 0.5, 1.5, etc. हो सकता है. लेकिन molecularity always in whole number. Molecularity a theoretical concept है, and order of reaction it is experimental concept. Is it clear? So what is the order of reaction? Addition of exponents, addition of powers of reacting molecules whose concentration decides rate of reaction. See here, एक example लूंगा मैं. Decomposition of ammonia. Decomposition of ammonia. I will take here platinum or molybdenum or tungsten. इसका ammonia का decomposition है. And we know that decomposition of ammonia gives nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas. So what is the order of reaction? A zero order का reaction है. Order of reaction is 0. Here it is 0. Why it is 0? यानी what is the conclusion? Rate of reaction is independent on concentration of ammonia. Suppose concentration of ammonia is doubled. So what will be the rate? It remains same. क्योंकि rate of reaction is independent on concentration of ammonia. What is the reason of this? Suppose a platinum surface है, a platinum surface है. Adsorption of ammonia on this platinum surface, ये ammonia molecules है. तो सिर्फ इन ammonia molecules का क्या होगा? Decomposition होगा, because directly these ammonia molecules are in contact with surface of what? Platinum. You can take molybdenum, you can take tungsten. I increase the concentration of ammonia now. I increase the concentration of ammonia. Remember, these ammonia molecules are away from surface of what? Catalyst. Away from platinum. तो इन ammonia molecules का decomposition नहीं होगा. Because these molecules are away from what? The surface of this platinum. अमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल जो प्लैटिनम के सरफेस पे कांटेक्ट में है, सरफेस पे एडसॉर्ब्ड है, खाली इन अमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल्स का क्या होगा? डिकम्पोजिशन होगा. एंड दीज अमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल्स आर अवे फ्रॉम व्हाट? सरफेस ऑफ दिस प्लैटिनम. इट रिमेन्स एज इट इज. यानी व्हाट इज द कंक्लूजन? यानी डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ अमोनिया डज नॉट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट? एंड रेट ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ अमोनिया डज नॉट डिपेंड्स ऑन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ अमोनिया. क्लियर? दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट इज जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. Decomposition of acetaldehyde, इसका decomposition किया. Here formation of what? Methane and carbon monoxide. And what is the rate law for this? Rate law for this, R is equal to K into concentration of acetaldehyde to the power 3/2. 3/2 and 1.5. And what is the order of reaction? It is 1.5. Yani order of reaction could be in fraction. Molecularity always in whole number. This is the difference between molecularity and order of reaction. So what is order of reaction? Addition of powers of reacting molecules whose concentration decides rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is independent on that reactant whose concentration is in excess. It is in excess. So order and addition of powers of reacting molecules whose concentration decides rate of reaction. And what is the molecularity? Molecularity is actual number of reacting molecules present in a given chemical reaction. Molecularity theoretical concept, and what is the order of reaction? It is experimental concept. Clear? Acid catalyzed ester hydrolysis. Ester hydrolysis, I will take ethyl acetate. Hydrolysis, addition of water. Here it is aqueous, irreversible in the presence of acid. So what is the product? Here a formation of what? Acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. It is like this. This is ester hydrolysis. Here reactants are ethyl acetate and water. So what is the order of reaction? Molecularity 2. Ethyl acetate and water. But what is the order of reaction here? Rate of reaction R is equal to K into concentration of what? Ethyl acetate. But here H2O to the power 0. Yani it looks like second order reaction, but follows the order of what? Follows the kinetic of what? First order reaction. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर rate of reaction जो है, it depends on only concentration of ethyl acetate. Rate of reaction is independent on concentration of what? Water. Yani what is the order of reaction? Addition of powers 1 plus 0. Yani order of reaction is 1. Order of reaction is 1. It looks like second order reaction क्योंकि यहां पर वाटर जो है एक्सेस है, ये एक्सेस है. क्यों? You know what is the molarity of water? Molarity of water. Molarity of water is equal to what? And 55.55. इतने मोल्स है वाटर के. We want only 1 mole. 54.55 moles excess. And we know that rate of reaction is independent concentration of reactant whose concentration is in excess. जिस reactant का concentration excess है उसके ऊपर rate of reaction depend नहीं करता. And rate of reaction does not depend on concentration of water. It depends on only concentration of ethyl acetate. So what is the order of reaction? It is 1. If any doubt, you can put your doubt in comment box. Definitely I will get back to you. Thank you.